This is an update on chitting potatoes. As you can see, they have not changed a lot. The chits are really not huge, as you can see, after 4 months, just being in a light, not direct sunlight, but in a light. They are not gonna grow leggy and spindly. So as long as they remain green, then you know they're okay. The sprouts are green here and they're not too long. Here are the other ones that are still chitting, and I would have probably planted these sooner, but I'm behind, so these are now 4 months old in the chitting status. I will be planting them probably next weekend, so they will be good.